Did you know that states have a hotline for reporting abuse of the elderly? Did you know that if you're engaging with a third party, like a bank, in helping your own parents with their affairs, you could be reported for elderly abuse? I know, right? You're just trying to be a good daughter or a good son, but the truth is, just like child abuse, elder abuse can come from within the family too. At the next session of our Protecting Aging Parents from Financial Ruin workshop, we talk about how to help your parents while still protecting yourself with the power of attorney and other legal and financial documents. We help you really avoid being punished for doing the right thing for your parents and their finances while still respecting their autonomy. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.